It's that time. Blur.
Oh my God.
Oh shit. I tend to stay my bike up and center it so I get maximum gas. What's that? Oh my God. I gotta stretch these gloves, dudes. There we go. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so we are heading up to Mount Charleston. Hopefully we can get up there before it gets too shitty. I suspect the weather up there is really nice. We'll find out when we get up there. Look at this stuff, guys. It is funky over here. If you're in Vegas, man, it's like a snake. Dude, just winds around here all crazy. Oh man, what the fuck is going on here? Sorry. And up to Charleston we go. It's been quite a while since I've been here. I don't want to go too fast. I'm starting to get a little quick right. There's straightaways that hit you.
I don't know how, but I'm gonna get.
So I gotta call the wifey. She's gonna be a little concerned. Gotta call the boss. Hey, I'm just letting you know I'm heading up to Charleston. Yeah, I went and got some gas and I was like, you know what? Let's just hit it. Is it? I want to try it. I'll grab some as soon as I get home. Love you too. Bye. I haven't even gone camping out here, man. Like, it's kind of crazy. I really hope y'all can hear me. That would super suck if you couldn't. I know that when I'm going fast, I have to talk super loud, but I'm hoping that I don't have to talk that loud. You know, like, that sucks, dude. I don't have to be screaming into my mic, but at the same time, like, I know I got to speak up out here. It's windy as hell. But anyway, I haven't even gone camping out here, man. You know, we're just chilling, man. We're just kind of hanging out, dude. It's fun. Enjoying the ride, man. I always get the waves back, dude. I know there's a stigma with the Harley riders and not waving back, dude, but honestly, I don't think I've had maybe one guy not wave back, dude, and he probably didn't even see me. I don't know. I haven't had any issues with Harley riders or Triumph riders or Indian. No, but like, you know, if you show respect and you're not zipping around like a dickhead around them and cutting up in front of them, you know, like crazy shit, and they'll respect you too, man. How would you feel, you know, if some little Civic came up and started fucking just roping them in front of you all crazy? I mean, that would be kind of cool, but you get where I'm getting at. Gotta be careful up here, dudes. The popos, gotta give it to the popos, the popos, popo. We'll keep it chill, my dudes. Nothing crazy, like I said, man. We're just out here for the scenics and for the content, my friends. I just need to talk to you guys, see if the mic's working pretty solid, you know, to give you guys some commentary for a change. No racing. I'll try not to. If this car's just cruising the whole way, dude, me too. If they pull off, then, you know, the intrusive thoughts might win a little bit. They might be pushing it because they're like, oh my god, there's a sports bike behind me. I hope not, dude. I want them to enjoy their time out here too, dude. It's for the visuals. Just to get a look at all the scenery, man. See how pretty it is out here, dude. I gotta give the popos the waves. Confusing, man. They're like, what the hell? Why is this dude wait? What? They probably think I'm being a jerk or whatever, or a smart ass, I guess, but I'm really not. Maybe a little bit, but not a big one, dude. I'm just, it's fun, man, waving. Yeah, this is nice, man. I like being up here. I should come do this a lot more often. I don't know, it's just, I'm lazy, I guess, man. I don't know, like, I don't like to go out, man. I mean, I do, but it takes a lot to get me out. And that sucks, dude. It used to not take anything to get me out. It was like, hey, you wanna? Yes, I do. I do wanna. Whatever it is, I wanna do it. But now I'm like, I guess if it's in the right setting, at the right time, with the right people, at the right, you know, it's just a lot. So we'll just zip through right here, man. Roll off the throttle, mate. Alright, GPS isn't live, so we're gonna take it a little easy sleazy. The popo are out in full force, my friends. We're gonna keep it chill. We might go a little fast in these like spaces like this, dude, but honestly, man, I'm not trying to get a ticket. I've got my plate on. I'm not a dickhead right now. We're gonna take these corners nice and easy. Easy McSleazy. Learn the route. That's what I kind of came up here for. I want to do this a bunch so that I just know Charleston. I just want to know where everything is, what curves are where, all that good stuff. That way I eventually can kind of pick it up a notch or two through here. I can't believe we saw 3 cops already. Oh damn, there's a lot of bugs up here. You're getting smashed by bugs. I mean, I'm smashing them. Here comes the popo right here. Another one.
Another one.
Slow it down. 35. Dudes. That's why we saw so many of them. Oh, this roundabout. I remember this thing, man. I have been up this, so I have done this ride before, but it's been a while. But this thing, dude, I stalled on this turn. There was like a bike or a car that like basically stopped right here for no reason, dude. And I assumed that they were gonna go through it like a jack. And that, honestly, that's on me, dudes. You shouldn't assume that somebody's gonna be going and doing something like that. I think the turn we're looking for is right up here. Yeah, it totally is. Oh man, I need to come stay here. The resort on Mount Charleston. Looks like we might have ourselves a little tripperino to plan, my friends. Isn't really much up here, but we'll be, I mean, I don't know. Maybe during the winter there's a bunch up here. I'm not sure. A lot of gravel on the road too, you know. That's all bad. Look at all these fucking bikers not waving back. Watch them, because they're so much cooler than we are. Look at them, not waving. Fools. The weather is perfect, and there's nobody on the road. I'm gonna do this every day. at the end of this run, at the end of Lee Canyon right here, whatever this is, I think this is Lee Canyon Road. At the end of this thing, man, it button hooks hard right. So you'll see a parking lot to the right, and there's normally people taking pictures and stuff of, sorry man, I'm getting distracted. So it is a little icy out here still, man. There's a little snow on the hills. This isn't the parking lot, but it's up here just a ways. Let's see, how far in are we? Oh man, this is fun. Now this is where it gets a little slick, little ice water, dude. I ain't trying to run through that too much. Man, do you guys get... Oh man, no matter how many miles I ride, my hand goes numb, dude. It's got to be my positioning is just bad, right? It's got to be it. Trailhead right here, campground. Yeah. Look at this, right just north of Vegas. Could you believe it? Just north of Vegas, man. 10 minutes up the road, dudes. So there's a good stop point right here. There's a parking lot up here. There's the parking lot? No, maybe not. Where is it, man? There's a... Oh, this isn't it. It was down a little ways.
Do it.
Keep your speed. It is tempting, man. I'm not gonna lie. It is tempting to want to just let it rip. It is. But we have to remain diligent. We're here to practice. I want to get better at these hills up here, man. Yeah, this is very pretty up here. Nice and easy. But anyway, yeah, man, my hand go numb. It's got to be positioning. It's got to be, right? Yeah, because look, I can feel it open up. It's got, man, I must be sitting bad. I must be posturing myself incorrectly. See right here, this is that one that fucked my shit up the first time I was out here, dudes. I didn't even see the parking lot because I was talking about my hand. And this will take you back to Vegas right here. Alright, so that was Lee Canyon. It's a fun little road, man. I like it a lot. It's the second or third time I've taken it. I'll say second time. We'll keep it light. I think that's the second time on the bike that I've taken that route. And I really like it, dude. It's really fun up here. The weather's super nice too, man. Look at that view. Gotta check my pocket, man. Make sure I didn't leave my zipper open. I did that when I had my full-size wallet, dude. I left my zipper open on the side on my Uswe on my backpack. And damn it, dudes. Man, I didn't lose it, but I came so close to losing it. And my visor is just caked with bugs. It's loud, man. Hopefully you guys can hear me. That would suck. Adios, Spring Mountains. Thank you for the visit. It was dope. Got some more bicyclists. Oh, I think I see myself another brother up here. It totally is, man. It's another dude, another brother out here. Good sir. I'll give a nod to the bikes, man. He's out here, dude. I give respect. Look how far that guy rode. I don't even know where he came from, man. But it's not around here, dude. Where the hell did he come from? If this dude came from there, or even came, I don't know. Even if he came from there, that's a long way. It's a long way. I gotta stop at the grocery store when we get back. Pick up some peanut butter. Woo! Feeling good, man. Feeling the weight kind of pick up a little bit. But another thing that I'm feeling is the heat coming back. What the? It's so hot. Just go this way, dude. Or is this just like a quick on-ramp for the freeway? Oh, it is. Totes my goats. Alright, we're on the freeway. We're heading back to Vegas. These people are kind of cruising out here, dude. I'm going a little bit fast, but they're going pretty fast too, man. Looks like they want to catch up a little bit with me, but I don't want them to keep up with me. So we're just gonna cruise right here, man. Oh man, dude, my throttle got stuck. Oh, it's crazy. It's totally good now. One of the van's gonna try and get over. I imagine they will. At some point or another. I'm not in any rush, dude. I'm just having fun. I mean, if we next, there you go. I wonder how many cars are gonna get off on my exit.
Hey, what's up? This is Edit Room Inc. DNA. My GoPro died before I got a chance to say my outro on the ride, so just want to say thank you to everybody for watching this far, and if you did, please like and subscribe, man. It really does help the channel. And yeah, let's keep it going, guys. I hope to bring more content like this to the channel. I'm trying to do this at least 2 to 3 times a week, and maybe grow from there. So thanks again, everybody, and stay safe out there. Keep 2 down. Later.
Whoa.